So every person who clicked on this video, I'm definitely sure that you guys definitely heard about this quote that every millionaire have 7 streams of income at least. They have 7 streams of income at least. And if you heard this quote and you are acting based on this quote, then if definitely I'm going to tell you that this is the one of the biggest mistakes, worst mistake you are going to do if you're acting this way, that you are acting on 7 businesses, you are working on 7 businesses right now, thinking you will become millionaire by working on all those 7 businesses. Then this is one of the worst mistake you are doing right now, and you will gonna regret it later when your time is already gone. You are seeing that those persons have 7 streams of income, but you are not seeing how they got there. They are not got there by 7 streams of income. They got there by just 1 stream of income. When you're starting up, you have limited time, focus, money, attention. And you're thinking with limited attention you will get to become a millionaire. Never. When you have limited resources, you have to understand that your time, money and focus is really important thing in current stage. If you are doing this thing, if you are understanding not this thing, this will gonna ruin your life and you will not end up getting anywhere. Any millionaire who become millionaire and have 7 streams of income is, you are seeing that is not the reality. You are seeing what they got, you are not seeing how they got there. So every millionaire has 7 streams of income. You are seeing that they have 7 streams of income, but you are not seeing how they got there. When you are starting up, you have limited resources, time, attention, and with limited resources you can't get to manage 5 and 7 businesses. In starting time, you have limited time and attention. So you should focus on only one business, and that one business will make you millionaire, and that one business will make you capable of starting 7 businesses. Will make you starting 7 businesses. Because when you have resources, you don't have resources right now. When you get to the next level, when you already achieved something, very great in one field, and once you got succeeded in one field, that's using their money and resources. Like with money resources, when you have, you can buy other people's time, you can buy other person's skills, specification, knowledge, and use it for build you. You are really thinking that all the persons who are sitting on the top are doing things. No, there are persons below that. There are persons sitting below them who is doing the things. They are just saying and they are doing. This is the thing you have to do. In starting time, you can't waste your time thinking that you will be able to manage your 7 businesses and you will become millionaire by this. No, you will never. I wasted my lots of time in doing this thing and doing multiple business at a time. Suppose if you have limited time, money, attention, resources, and you are dividing it with many businesses, how you will gonna get the result? You will not get the result. You should invest your 100% time in one thing. That's how you master that skill, and by mastering that skill you will get lots of money through it, and once you have lots of money through it, you can make multiple streams of income that can generate multi-millions to you. So understand this very clearly. What I'm trying to say is, first focus on one thing. Once you focus on one thing, become skilled in that, you will use that skill to make millions. Once you make the million, now you have resources as a money, and you use that resource to build your army, who will work with you, your team, all the persons, all the softwares and all the things. And by using those things, you can create 7 businesses, 10 businesses same time, and that all businesses will generate multi-millions for you. So this is a very important things you have to understand. There is one famous quote. I will definitely read it for you. So definitely gonna read this quote for you, because this is if you understand this quote, you will get the mindset of those people. So you will become rich by taking large risk with less amount of money, and you will remain wealthy by taking a small risk with large amount of money. Basically, in starting time, you have limited resources, you have limited money. Use all those resources and focus on only one thing. Focus on one thing. Use all your money and take one of the biggest risk you thinking. When you're taking biggest risk with less amount of money, that makes millions of dollars. That makes millions of dollars. And once you have millions of dollars, then you should take only small risk. If you're taking big risk, then the chances of losing will become much more. But the higher the risk, the higher the reward. So you should understand this principle. The higher the risk, the higher reward. And this is, you have to understand. You should focus. You have limited resources, don't waste in doing multiple businesses, just focus on one, and this will make you rich. And by becoming rich, you will create multiple streams of income. You should not depend on one, and this is a safety net for you. So that's it for this video, and all the persons who are watching this video till now, I will really want to say that I am here to support your journey. Do all the things, do hard work. No one coming to save you. It's total hard work. Smart work will not give you that result. Smart work is great, but if you're aligning smart work with hard work, if you're joining smart work with hard work, you will become unstoppable. So start doing things, stay hard, work hard, daily basis.